In this video, we will learn what is conditional formatting in Excel with an example. So let us see. Conditional formatting is a powerful feature that lets you automatically apply formatting like colors, icons or data bars to cells based on their values or specific rules. Let's say you want to highlight cells based on values. For example, turn cells red if the value is below 50. So in this case, we have some records of students. Okay, we have 10 students and the marks they obtained with the percentage. So let's say we want to add a specific color for percentage less than 95. So we can add it. For that, just select the record. After that, go to conditional formatting. Here you can directly select for the rules, but I'll directly go to more rules. Format only cells that contain cell value greater than 95. For greater than 95 value, I'll click format and here let's say I'll set the color yellow by going to fill. So here it is. Click OK and OK. So now you can see we have differentiated. For values above 95, we have highlighted it with the yellow color. What about the rest of the values? So I'll just select again, go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rules and click more rules. Here cells that contain less than 95. Click format. Let's say I'll give the following color, click OK. OK, and now you can see for a percentage less than 95, we have set a different color. So we have highlighted the values. We have also set the color. So guys, we saw what is conditional formatting in Excel. We highlighted cells with different colors based on values. For a free Excel tutorial, refer to the link in the description of the video. Thank you for watching.